Good afternoon. Welcome to a very special
Family Math number 25B.
Family Math number 25B. This is a video that we're making following the video we made yesterday where we figured out how many of these erasers fit on our kitchen table. Do you remember what the answer was?
472.
472. I thought it was 476.
Maybe.
Maybe, I don't know. Something like that. So naturally, the follow-up question was what?
How many thumbs can go around the world?
How many thumbs would it take to go all the way around the world? Okay, let's measure your thumb. Dun, da, da, da. Looks like your thumb is how long?
About 2 inches.
2 inches. Okay, so we're going to say one thumb. One thumb equals about 2 inches. So if one thumb is 2 inches, how many thumbs in a foot? Yeah?
6 thumbs.
Okay, so 6 thumbs is 1 foot. Why is that true?
Because there's 12 inches in a foot.
6 thumbs is 12 inches, which is 1 foot. Okay, great. So if we had 6 thumbs, we could go 1 foot. Is that going to get us around the world?
No.
Not quite. So we better figure out how many thumbs are in a mile. Does anybody know how many feet are in a mile?
5,280.
Okay, did you know that? No? Okay, so 5,280 feet equals 1 mile. So how are we going to figure out how many thumbs are in a mile?
We just
have to multiply 5,280 by 6. Okay? And that's going to tell us how many, because it takes 6 thumbs to go 1 foot, and we have to go 5,280 feet. But we're going to do a little simplifying and estimating. So instead of 5,280, I'll say 5,300 is about 1 mile. 5,300 feet is about 1 mile. Okay? Is that all right? So let's multiply that by 6. So do you know what 5,000 times 6 is? You want to count by 5,000 6 times? So 5,000? Count loud, please.
5,000, 10,000, 15,000, 20,000, 25,000, 30,000.
Okay, that's 30,000. And 300 times 6. What's that?
It's 1,800.
1,800. Okay, so we get 31,800 thumbs per mile. About. And what should we round that up to just to make the numbers a little simple?
32,000.
Should we just call it 32,000? Is that okay?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, so 32,000 thumbs for 1 mile. Oh, yeah, per mile. Now, do you have 32,000 thumbs laying around? No. I don't know where we're going to get 32,000 thumbs. Well, but does that get us around the world?
No.
No. What do we need to get around the world? Do you know how far it is around the world?
In miles?
In miles? Do you know? Do you have a guess? No? Do you know?
No.
No? It's about 25,000 miles.
Around the equator.
Around the equator. Okay, so now we have to calculate 32,000 times 25,000. Whoa!
Whoa.
How are we going to do that big of multiplication? Well, it turns out it's actually pretty easy. We know it's going to end in how many zeros?
6.
It's going to end in 6 zeros, so we just have to do 32 times 25. Okay? And then put 6 zeros on it. So we're going to put our 6 zeros over here, and then we'll have to do 32 times 25. Now, something's pretty easy when you multiply by 25. What's special about multiplying with 25s? Do you know what's an easy thing to multiply 25 by?
5.
What's count by 25s?
25.
Count loud.
25.
25, 50,
75. 100.
Oh, wait a minute. Was one of those numbers a really easy number?
100.
100, which is 25 times
4.
4. So every time we go by 4, so we know that 25 times 4 equals 100. How many 4s are in 32?
4 times 8 is 32.
4 times 8 is 32. So 32 times 25 is what? 32, if 25 times 4 is 100, 25 times 32 is
Is it 800? 800.
800. Because there's 8 4s in 32. This is 25 times 4 times 8. Okay? So 32 times 25 is 800, and we have to put our 6 zeros on at the end. So we have 800 followed by 6 zeros. Now what is that?
That's 800 million.
800 million. Okay, and that is how many thumbs do you need to go around the world? So there's 800 million thumbs to go around the world. Okay, and that's for 2-inch thumbs, like we measured for your thumb. How's that? Isn't that pretty amazing?
Yeah.
Now, where are we going to find 800 million thumbs?
I don't know.
I don't know either. Maybe we should look on Amazon. Maybe they have like fake rubber thumbs. But they would need to be pretty cheap because we would need to buy 800 million of them. And where would we put them?
It would take up all the house.
Yeah, I think it would take up a lot of room. So we better, maybe we'll just have to just trust that our math is okay, because I don't think we're going to be able to do this experiment. Do you?
No.
No. But, okay, well that was fun. That was kind of a fun question, wasn't it? How many thumbs to go around the world, and what's the answer?
800 million.
800 million thumbs. Ah.